Hi, welcome to this tutorial. Today we will discuss about head tag in HTML. It's a very important tag. The head tag element is metadata container. All you know to that important thing is metadata container. For the purpose the head tag will use. Metadata means data about data. In any application or database or collection of the information analysis, wherever we'll call it as metadata. Data describing about the data, we call it as it's a metadata. It is placed between the tags of HTML from form structure, that is HTML tag and body tags respectively. Here metadata will not be displayed and typically define the title of the document, character set and styles, links, scripts and any other external need to embed it to the HTML form sources of metadata. Okay, these tag will use for metadata declarations, title tag, meta tag and style tag, script tag, link tag and base tag. We'll see one by one in this session. These are the tags we'll cover here in head tag. First we will discuss about title tag element in HTML. We know that in HTML, by using the title tag to write all document titles in HTML forms, it will show a title of the browser tab page or browser top end, and similarly it will shows a title of the page in search engine results also. The title of the page it will be shows on while we are searching something from the search engines like Google search, Bing search and many other. We'll see have an example with this. Yeah, here while writing document type HTML, it indicates that it's an HTML5 document, the form, and the title tag it's HTML open brace and end brace is here, and head here you have observed that head tag. After that head tag, in head tag we will write on a title tag. Here we need to write page title which we need to require. This is the title tag is a start tag is, and this is the end tag. In between we need to write the title of the page, and body, as you know that the content of the document to be right here. Okay, shall we have a demo with this? Right, I'm straight away copying this thing and taking an HTML page over here and straight away paste and save the page and refresh. Here we need to write the title page is here I have given. Will tell you demo title page. Demo title page. We'll see now. Save and refresh the page. See here, this is the title I am telling you. Here we need to write the title page. As I have to save the document. Yes. Now refresh it. See, demo title page is showing the tab. Alright, the above of the page title, what is the page it's requiring to open, and open it will tell that this is the page title, and you need to appropriately you can change the title pages like services pages, portfolio pages, contact us page, about us page. Such a meaningful page name you can also specify, or else simply in a common, if it is an ERP package like that software name also you can stringently commonly maintain in a title page also. Okay, and style element in HTML, with this style tag we can design pages in HTML web forms, like by using style tag. This style tag we will write on head itself. There is a head tag is there. Their head tag itself we will try to use in a style tag. We have discussed many things in style tag tutorial. The session is available. Go through it. And a link in HTML. Wherever we need to call an external sheets, style sheets, JavaScript and jQueries, and whichever the requirement of the scripts will, by calling it's an external or internal folder structure to be called that particular file. We'll use the link and we'll give the rel, that is an attribute that equal to style sheet. The meaning of the what we are calling, whether JavaScript, we need to write JavaScript, and link, it is in a style sheet. href, the path of the file, we need to write here the name of the file. And meta element in HTML. In head tag we will write the meta tag to describe elements used for specifying which character set is used. Page descriptions, keywords for search engines, author of the page, and other metadata and meaningful data we will use for this meta tag to write different character type and the stringent of meanings and about something, the data of the other. In HTML, metadata is used for browsers to display content in search engines, used for keywords and other web services. Like HTML meta character set usage in example, we'll write in a meta tag between the head inside the head tag. We'll declare like meta space character set that equal to UTF-8. This is the character set of a natural English, it will calls char set. And HTML metadata of description usage of the example. Here you will see the meta name equal to description and content equal to what is the type of description we need to write, what is the type of information we are trying to providing that particular HTML web page, that content, the meaningful information we need to write over here. This description will, the search engines will wherever our links is shown that presenting on search engine, this description highlighting and shows at the starting of the point. If I write this online and free web tutorials, it will be displayed like this, online and web tutorials. Okay. HTML metadata of keywords, search engines usage example. Meta that equal to the name equal to keywords. Content that equal to online free web tutorial, HTML, SQL, JavaScript, tutorial and support, learn HTML5. These are the type of keywords we can have to establish over here to write. The search engine, if the search engine may enter the HTML5, that is if it is matched here the keyword, our site will be come to the up level and it will be displays at search engine place. HTML metadata of author to be write for more descriptive. If that page there is, if it is any author is there, like tutorials sites, the may content writers are there. For the editors also, newspapers and magazines, there is an authors are there. For the meaningful meta name author we can describe here, and content that equal the author name we need to write. HTML refresh page refresh every 60 seconds. For that the purpose we need to write meta http-equi equal to refresh, the content equal to 60 seconds. If any the page we are dynamically build that page and we are keep on pumping the data from other sources like web pages, web services and any other sources or any link we are calling from the dynamic site wherever it is applicable, there the place the data is refreshing every 60 seconds. Hence we need to refresh the page on every 60 seconds. We'll have an updated data at our web page also. Okay, these are the tags, these are the examples we can see here. Meta char set equal to UTF-8 and meta description, the content of name, this is the content it's having, and name meta keywords like a content, these are the keywords and number of keywords you can add it, and meta name author, that is the shaker. These all the tags will be placed at copy here and I'm straight away copying we need to present after the title in head tag. These are the place. Cleanly you can assign the design of the way of the alignment. These are the way. Okay, and this metadata, which is the content, it won't be displayed at browser place. Strongly remember that. Okay, and viewport, this is the viewport we will discuss on next session. That's all for this session of about head tag of metadata. I hope you better understand about the head tag and elements what we have discussed to call in head tag. Try to practice with the title, meta, style, script, link and base. I hope you better understand this session. Thank you for watching this session. Subscribe, like, share and comment any of your views. Thank you.